Hi everyone, and welcome back to Wealth Up. Today we're talking about a crucial topic for your financial future, investing. Whether you're just starting out or already on your financial journey, understanding the power of investing is key to building wealth and achieving your long-term goals. Why invest? Many people wonder why they should invest. Here are a few compelling reasons. To grow your money, beat inflation, achieve your goals, and for compound interest. Over time, investments have the potential to outperform traditional savings accounts. This means your money can grow faster and help you reach your financial goals quicker. Beat inflation. Inflation is the rising cost of goods and services over time. By investing, your money can potentially grow at a rate that keeps up with the pace of inflation, protecting your purchasing power in the future. Whether you're saving for retirement, a dream vacation, or a down payment on a house, investing can help you accumulate the funds needed to turn those dreams into reality. This powerful concept allows your earnings to earn interest, accelerating your wealth accumulation over time. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to benefit from compound interest. Let's go into more detail on this one. You hear this often, but let me break it down and show you with an example. Let's say you invest $100 into the market. With an 8% return over 10 years, these are safe assumptions for the long term. If you start with $100, after year one, you will have $108. The $8 will be from interest that you gained. Between year 1 and 2, not only do you have the $100 in the market that you started with, earning interest, but now you also have the $8 you gained from the first year. So the $100 gains another $8, and then the $8 you earned in interest from the first year gains 64 cents. Even though the 64 cents may not seem like much, it is interest gained on interest. It's when money you earned is making you money. After year 2, you end up with $116.64. By year 3, you now have over $125. That's more than $25 from your initial investment of only $100. Between year 5 and 6, the growth is already more than 50%. And by year 9, you have doubled your initial $100. You can see that over time the value grows faster and faster. This is what is meant by compound interest. Knowing this, let's imagine what this would look like if you start with $10,000. This would now be over $20,000 after 10 years. The money would more than double. In these two examples, you started off with the initial investment and added no more money over time. The best thing to do to grow your wealth is to continue to add over time. So let's look at an example where you continue to add $100 per month. That is on top of the initial $10,000 that you invested. This is a growth to almost $40,000 in that same time frame. What if you are able to bump this up to $500 a month? This will now be over $111,000. Notice the significant difference between $100 per month versus $500 per month. Let's say that you're able to find $1,000 per month in your budget. After 10 years, this would be over $200,000. The $500 per month or $1,000 per month might seem out of touch, and this might be true for your situation. But I'll first ask for you to look at your spending. Is there any takeout, any coffee trips, shopping trips, an endless list of subscriptions? All of these expenses can be cut out. Meal planning, cooking, making your own coffee at home, going for a walk instead of the mall to browse, are all alternatives for mindless spending. If you're living on a bare bones budget already and truly don't have space for investing, Instead, I recommend that you focus on ways to increase your income. Let me know if you are interested in hearing more about this. Putting it simply, you can't save your way to a millionaire. This is true unless you earn millions or have a huge windfall. Remember, building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. Investing is a long-term game, not a quick way to get rich. Don't expect overnight success. Be patient, stay disciplined, and focus on consistent investing over time. The market will inevitably experience ups and downs, but by staying invested long-term, you can weather the storm and potentially reap the rewards. There are many different investment options: ETFs, mutual funds, fractional shares, and different retirement accounts and brokerage accounts. The full details are shared in a video I posted recently. It'll be linked down below. Remember, each option has its benefits and risks. Research, understand your risk tolerance and investment goals, and consult a financial advisor if needed when choosing your investments. Start small and invest regularly. You don't need a large sum of money to start, not like the $10,000 example shown previously. Instead, start small and invest consistently, even with a few dollars or a set percentage of your regular income. This approach, known as dollar cost averaging, can help you benefit from the market's ups and downs over time. Investing isn't just about money. It's about building a secure future for yourself and your loved ones. By starting early, remaining patient, and making informed choices, you can harness the power of investing and unlock your path to financial freedom or financial security. What are your biggest questions about investing? Leave a comment below and let's start a conversation. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe for more personal finance content. Remember, investing in your financial knowledge is the best investment you can make. This video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Please consult a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Thanks for watching until the end. I'll see you in the next one.